we do boom 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 get boom 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 get boom 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 get boom 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 get.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel.
Yes, what are we doing today?
Today we're gonna do a French fries challenge.
But first, we are going to try the new hype Taco Bell French fries.
Yes.
Okay, so
I had bought two of them.
yeah, we bought two. This is how they look like. They look like this.
They come in this little thing. They kind of
each come with.
They kind of look kind of soggy.
They do look soggy. They come with nacho cheese too. Everyone you get.
And then everybody says to try it with the little mild sauce. So
I'm just experimenting with everything. I'll see though.
We're gonna try it.
So. Are you ready?
I'm gonna bring this plate over here so I can pour this mild sauce so we could try it.
I'm trying it out.
Well, I'm gonna put the mild sauce here.
Let me put some ketchup then.
Ketchup. Nathaniel and his ketchup.
Ooh, it's splattered.
Okay, so this is what it comes in. This little thing. It's only $1. So it's not bad. I got ketchup on it. From you splattering the ketchup.
Yeah, it's splattered.
It smells like Arby's fries.
It smells like nachos to me. Like chips. Like the hot fries. Yes.
Well, let's open this cheese. Because I'm going to try it with the cheese. Now I'm
smell
going to try
the cheese first?
The cheese, I
smell like cheese.
The cheese is the regular cheese that they give you.
I'm trying it without first. Okay. You ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. I don't like them.
I'm disappointed.
I like these.
With the cheese. It's good with the cheese.
Let me see with the cheese.
It tastes like Arby's fries. They have a little kick to it. Nothing spicy.
Whoa. It tastes way better with the cheese.
The cheese is so much better. Now I'm gonna try with the mild sauce.
No. The cheese.
The mild sauce is good.
It's a new world.
Nah, try with the mild sauce.
This is good.
Try with the mild sauce. Try with the mild sauce. I'm gonna try with the cheese and mild sauce.
They're looking at me like, ooh, he fat. Okay, mild sauce.
The cheese and the mild sauce is the way to go.
It's okay.
The cheese and the mild sauce. You gotta
so how do I do this?
Put the cheese first.
Then the mild.
And then the mild sauce.
Cheese.
This is something, Taco Bell. This is something.
Then mild sauce.
That's something. That is something.
I think the cheese makes it so much
better.
Bomber. Alright, I'm gonna try ketchup now.
Oh no, I don't want to try ketchup. Even though it's Arby's fries.
Tastes like fries with ketchup.
I just am very.
The nacho cheese is the best thing.
I'm just disappointed.
Wow.
I thought that they were gonna have like a kick to it. Maybe our Taco Bell sucks. Maybe that's why.
We got a surprise for you, Lines.
So.
This is
the fries challenge.
Yeah, our French fries challenge.
So everybody always talks about which place has the better fries. So today we decided to actually test that out. And so what we're gonna do is we're gonna
one of us is gonna close our eyes, or each of us.
We're gonna both close our eyes, and we're gonna have French fries on the table. We're gonna talk about the smell. We're gonna talk about how it tastes, and then after we open our eyes, we could talk about the pricing of it per fry, I guess. And then we will determine at the end of this video which company from what we have here is the better fry. So we have Burger King, we have McDonald's, we have Taco Bell, obviously, we have Arby's, and we have Wendys. Ready?
Yes.
Okay.
That's funny.
For the first one, I want you to smell it.
Wow. I don't know what this is.
What does it smell like?
It smells like salt. Salt. Sea salt?
Sea salt?
Could be Wendys already. Yeah. Sea salt.
Okay, ready? I'm going to give you one.
Okay. What is this?
I'm gonna give you one with ketchup now.
Yeah. Ew. This is Wendy's.
Okay. Is that your guess?
Yep.
Okay. We're gonna go on to the next one.
It was so mushy, soft. I'm surprised.
Ready?
Arby's.
What does it smell like?
It smell like peppers.
Wait, you said it's Arby's?
Like black pepper.
You said Arby's?
Yeah.
I'm giving you ketchup now.
This is Death Arby's.
Okay, the next one.
What's that? I don't know what that is. That one was, the one with the Arby's was different. It was like, the first
You
one
ready?
was soft, the second one was crispy. What is this? Oh, I know what this is.
What is it?
It's a Taco Bell.
Open your mouth with ketchup?
You gotta talk about fries.
Okay. Smell this one?
They don't smell like nothing. Wow. That Taco Bell one was pretty soft. They should crispy it more.
Did you crispy it more?
Burger King. Wow. I'm disappointed.
With ketchup?
Burger King. Ketchup enhanced that.
Last one?
It's surprising how, like, when you don't see it, you can't really smell. Because I know what this is, but, like,
Ready, open?
I can't. McDonald's.
Open?
McDonald's.
Okay. Yeah.
Smell it?
It smells like cardboard.
Exactly. Okay.
This is Burger King.
I'm gonna give you a fry. sis.
Okay. Burger King. That's Burger King. I like Burger King fries.
You want ketchup or no?
Yes. I need a second time to think about it. Because if it's not Burger King. I don't know. The ketchup kind of hit it. Hopefully I don't have ketchup on my lip.
Next one.
Am I smelling it?
Yeah.
I smell cardboard. Okay.
This is so hard.
Okay, yeah. I don't smell
Okay,
it.
coming.
The disappointing Taco Bell fries.
You want to make ketchup?
No, because I know it's a Taco Bell fries.
Alrighty. Next one.
Am I smelling it now?
Yes.
No, I don't know.
You went in.
This is McDonald's.
It's because you went so deep.
McDonald's has their own, like, smell. That's McDonald's.
You want
McDonald's is the
ketchup?
only one that's crispy.
Facts.
Yes.
Open.
Oh, this one was soggy. And this was not ketchup.
I know. Yo, that's not funny. Okay. Smell.
Yeah, I don't know. Cardboard again.
Okay.
Burger King? Wait, now I think that was Burger King. Oh, I'm so lost. Okay, come on. Again. Something else, I guess. This is McDonald's. McDonald's. No?
You want to with ketchup?
That wasn't McDonald's?
Come on, eat.
It's pretty thick. Here's Wendy's. No, I don't know. I'm confused now because that Burger King will mess me up.
Okay, next one.
Am I smelling or am I just eating? I can just eat. I don't need smell.
I'm gonna make you smell this one.
Ooh, this is obvious. That's Arby's. Low key.
Ketchup.
Low key, Arby's got the best fries, I think.
All right, you're finished. The gag is, I tricked you.
You did, right? I knew the Burger King one.
So you had the Burger King one, then you thought it was McDonald's, but it was Wendy's. But you got it right because you corrected it when you said, no, this is pretty big.
Damn, this is
Yes.
hard. What would you name number one?
McDonald's.
Okay, talk about that. Why?
McDonald's, just because it was more consistent, like as of taste, and I like hard fries.
This is true.
And what's next for you?
I don't know. Because McDonald's, yes, I do like hard fries. So their hard fries was good. But I thought Arby's had good flavor. And they weren't like that soggy. You know?
Yeah, but do they count because they curly?
But do they count because they curly? I think that's what makes them even more spectacular.
Yeah, I need them with ketchup. Because
I think they're good.
curly fries to me needs ketchup.
So in my list, I go Arby's first.
For me, it's McDonald's.
Then I go McDonald's.
Then, yeah, it would be the Arby's.
Mm-hmm.
Then the Taco Bell fries.
No. Def go Wendy's. Wendy's has like a nice saltiness to it. You know? Don't they season their fries with sea salt?
They do. That's how I knew.
It was good.
It's good,
It's
but
good.
that Taco Bell cheese thing is too bomb.
But you didn't eat it with the cheese thing. You eating it plain right like this. It's just a fry.
No, it has a...
No.
Yeah, but it is below.
There goes Wendy's.
It is Wendy's.
Wendy's number 3.
Because without the sauces, the Taco Bell can't battle it.
Yeah. So my list goes Arby's, McDonald's, Wendy's, Burger King, then Taco Bell.
My list, McDonald's, Arby's, Wendy's, Taco Bell, then Burger King.
Really?
Yes. I could not. I ate that Burger King fry and I said no. I'm not having it.
Now, let's do pricing.
You got all the receipts?
Yeah. Okay.
All right.
So, for Taco Bell, they are $1 plus tax, which is 12 cents. So $1.12.
This is how it comes.
Yeah,
Full.
like this is a full
Full
one. This
pack.
is what they gave
This
us.
is a full pack for $1.12. So
I mean, it's not bad because you do get cheese.
yeah.
It's different.
I mean, it's $1. You know, what do you expect? I guess.
McDonald's. So for McDonald's,
This was a medium fry.
this is a medium fries. But in all honesty, it kind of looks the same as Wendy's small fry.
It's a little bit bigger
It's
though.
a little bigger, but it's not that much of a big
But
difference. So that medium fry was $1.99 with tax. It came out to $2.11 for the medium fries at McDonald's. Burger King, we got a small. It was one. This was the small. This one dingley fry. $1.79 plus tax, it came out to $190 for this
Yeah.
small.
No. And your fries ain't even that bomb.
Shade.
It's not.
Burger King not sponsoring us. Arby's is the best deal, bro. Arby's is $1.
McDonald's
Their
is the best
tax is 6 cents, so this came to $1.06. All this.
Yeah, that's true. It's good
for
pricing.
a small. I think that's great.
That's actually the best deal, I think. Then it's McDonald's.
Their flavor is good. Their sizing
Wow.
is pretty good.
Whoa, I'm shooketh.
You know, like,
Look at
you
this
get what I'm
one.
saying? Like, it's a good deal. You def go to Arby's. Arby's is slept on, bro.
Arby's is slept on.
Nah, but I don't like their burgers. They don't even sell burgers. They sell sandwiches.
I think they have burgers though.
I remember I went to Arby's like 3 times and
So that's everything?
I didn't like anything. Wendy's was $1.69 plus tax. It came to $1.80.
This is not worth my money because I could get $2.11 for this and $1.80. No.
Who has the healthiest fries? Dun dun dun.
Wendy's.
Probably.
Wendy's has the healthiest fries. They seasoned it with sea salt.
Yeah. $1.06 and we paid $1.11.
Whoa.
Arby's is the best deal, bro.
Arby's.
If you
Wow.
if y'all want to have this talk with me, please let's talk.
Yes.
Let's argue.
Comments.
Let's argue because Arby's is the best deal.
They don't taste the best though.
They're seasoned pretty well.
But yes. So let us know in the comments below what y'all think.
So now that we finished doing a little munchin',
Bruh. We back. Nah.
we're gonna talk about the health facts. From what we had right now, a small Wendy's fries that we dogged down is 310 calories. Arby's, 410 calories. McDonald's medium though, medium.
The medium one is 340 calories.
Yeah. That's not bad for being
That's
medium
not
though. But compared if you compare
to the
the
Arby's.
sizes and stuff like that. Like I don't know. Burger King, we're Burger King. 340 calories. I'm saying Burger King. I like Burger King. And then the Taco Bell, little rinky-dinks, 360
60.
calories.
Already? Ooh, this just came out.
McDonald's is
Small
honestly
fry.
the best, healthiest
Yeah,
option.
according to the sources, McDonald's is the healthiest option.
In
of fries.
total, for this video, we consumed 1,760 calories. Not including the cheeses, not including the ketchup and sauces.
Oh, yeah. At least we split this.
No! In all honesty, McDonald's is honestly the way to go. They have good fries, good price, not that fatty, which is surprising because I thought McDonald's would be fatty.
I thought McDonald's would be unhealthier. Just because what they tell you, like how they make it.
And even the bag was like all greasy.
But I love McDonald's, so I'm happy.
Sponsor
I love
him.
McDonald's fries. Let me
Sponsor
say
him.
that. Thank you guys for watching. This was fun. I enjoyed it.
Yeah, we
Nice.
got to eat.
Thanks. Make sure you guys like, comment,
Comment and subscribe.
Bye.
Bye.